Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Benny from Rawsuns Technology. Today we are going to test a drive system. This drive system is for the SUV, and this is our test environment. We have the low voltage power supply. Voltage is 12 volt plan, and we have the vehicle control unit, the VCU, and we have the gear panel, the switch for the forward and reverse, and we have the accelerator pedal, and also we have the brake pedal. And inside here we have a test battery system. This battery system, the voltage is 384 volts. And this is only for testing we put in our office. And inside we can see the integrated controller. This integrated controller is integrated with the EPDU and DC-DC. And this is the drivetrain, the motor controller. And this one is the drive motor. And we now have all the wire connected. We will do the drive testing now. First step is to turn on the switch key, and now it's on. Now the voltage is on. Low voltage is on, and then to help our customer to learn how to control the MCU by VCU. We will save our CAN logs using Jack-and-Claw. This time we need to save the file in ASC format. Okay, and we also have the VCU software. This is our VCU software. We can check all the information by this software, all the information of the system. And now we go to high voltage. We need to step on the foot brake pedal and switch the ignition kit to start. We can see this ready on the screen. And we go to the forward gear. I step on the foot brake and switch to D and release the handbrake. Okay, slowly I step on the accelerator. We can see the speed of the vehicle from our dashboard. Now the motor is on the forward direction. The motor is turning on the anti-clock direction. Now we use the VCU to control the MCU in top mode. It means that when the required torque is reached, the speed will drop. So when we test the motor in this situation, we can see the speed is not stable. If you step on the foot brake, and it will go to the speed, and then it will drop. Okay, now we test the reverse gear. After the motor stop, we go to the neutral, and then we go to the reverse. We can see in the dashboard is in reverse gear, and we step on the accelerator. Now we can see the motor going to clock direction. Okay, we also can see from our VCU software the system information. Now the motor is going to like 2000 RPM. almost 2000 ampere. You can still go higher, and the system volt code is 0. It means the system is in normal. Okay, then we go to the neutral gear and we pull up the handbrake. And then we stop. Then we can switch off the system by switch the ignition lock to off. Now we can see the voltage of the low voltage is going to 0 after 0 seconds. It means that the VCU is controlling the MCU to do the voltage release. It means that to drop the VCU voltage from 84 volt drop to 30 volt, then the VCU will kill itself, so the current goes to 0. And then we stop recording the CAN logs, and we can see all the CAN data is in this file. Okay, thank you for your watching.